I'm Zoe from Flat Out International. I'm just going to talk to you about repairing the Flat Out drink water hose. So your hose may have been damaged for some reason and you might want to carry an emergency repair kit. We sell them as an end repair kit, which is basically the standard hose end that we have on our hoses crimped on, the same rubber, but instead of a crimp, because you don't have a crimping machine, we give you this stainless steel. It's a very nice Aussie made hose clamp. You'll find that using the hose clamp, you'll get just as good performance. You won't have leaking issues if you install it correctly. We also have a join repair kit available on our website where you get the two ends and a standard hose joiner, so that if you needed to cut the hose in the middle somewhere, you can repair it there. And this way we just get more life out of our hose. I mean, we don't expect anything to happen, but you know, maybe 15 years you might develop a pinhole or something. And if you want to get more life out of your hose, or just have that in case someone does, you know, cut your hose while you're out bush or something and you need to keep yourself going. So the hose itself goes inside the rubber. You may need to fold it to squish it inside and then smooth it back out again, or you might just be able to slide it straight through, depends on the make of the hose. And this tail here, this is a 19mm hose tail. So it's a standard fitting, fits on all your standard parts from the hardware store. But if you were to buy a hose brass fitting from the hardware store, it's likely to be 12mm here, because that's what your normal garden hose is, not 19. So just be aware that this part is a specialty part that's made specifically for our hoses. Anyway, it fits inside nicely. So once you've got it in, you need to leave yourself a gap. Now I'm leaving a gap about half a thumbnail width so that you can still slide the brass up and down. If you go too close here, you're not going to be able to use the hose. So we leave our gap, and the hose clamp I'm not going to put right at the end. I'm going to make it part way down so that, if you can imagine, it's going over that second bar there where I'm going to tighten it. Now you can use a flathead screwdriver, but I find that they're not going to get you a tight enough grip unless you're stronger than me. So I just get the hex head, because the hex head over this gives you an even stronger purchase. And then, did I have it? Nope, I'm going to have it in go mode. And then I can just wait until I get a hammer. And once you get that hammer in, you know that it's tight enough. The impact driver doesn't want to go anymore, and you can see a little bit of a bulge there without us cutting through that rubber, and that's going to be nice and firm and not leak for you.